Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on If You Into Huck's World. Today I got a fun watch face for you guys to check out. Now, this one here is coming from a developer that goes by the name of Rocks. It's definitely a dress down, everyday watch face. Will fit the work week grind perfectly. Now, the name of the watch face is called Rider 2. As you can see, it has that Night Rider look. In the AOD mode, it's going to be dimmed down, but you will be able to see the lights and you will be able to see your digital time at a glance with no problem. Now, once the watch face is on, what you're going to get is your date up at the top. You're going to get your step info and also your battery information. Now, you come down, you got this purple car, right, that has a Night Rider look to it. It has lights. I thought it was definitely a unique watch face for a casual dress down wear. Now, right up under that, you're going to get your digital time. You're also going to get animated seconds with a PM stamp, and you're going to get the opportunity to go into your settings with a single tap, tweak your watch however you see fit. Same thing for your alarm. So what do you think, people? I thought it was a good look thus far, right? But hold on, we're not done yet. Just tap and you can change the color thing. Gives you several colors and all that you can tap to. That one's nice. Dim down, it's gonna save on battery. But what do you think? Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. I thought the developer did really good with a casual dress down watch face. That's definitely unique. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. I hope the Monday grind is going well for you all. Just remember, continue to grind hard and it will be over with soon. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way out and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.